Okay, so these are the three parts. We said diaphysis was dead center, also known as the shaft. It's where you have compact bone and the bone marrow. Epiphysis are the ends. Epiphysis is singular, epiphyses is plural. It's where you have the spongy bone. Okay, metaphysis is the place where it's metamorphosis. There's change going on. That is the location where the diaphysis meets the epiphysis, and it's also the location that has a high amount of cartilage that is continuing to convert to bone. What is the conversion of bone, by the way? What's the word to say bone? I don't want to use the word yet. Now, I'm just going to throw it out. It's called ossification. Ossification means making bone. So making bone. So what kind of ossification is it when we convert cartilage to bone? Well, endo means inside. We probably talked about this before. We said chondral is cartilage. So endochondral ossification is the most common way to make bone. It means I make bone inside, oh, I misspelled that, inside cartilage. So make bone inside cartilage is the most common way that I will make bone. What is the other way? Well, if I have a membrane like in the skull, between the skull bones are what we call sutures, right? Those sutures are actually fibers. And if I grow a bone inside of that, like a sutural bone, that bone grew inside of a fiber. It didn't grow inside of cartilage, so it's called intra, meaning within, membranous, referring to the membrane that it's growing in, and it's still converting to bone, so we call it intramembranous ossification. The two primary ways, or two really good examples that I want you to remember, are sutural bones. That one's easy. It grows in a suture, so you know it's not being converted from cartilage. And the second one is your kneecap. What is your kneecap known as? It's known as the patella. So the patella, and then also under the big toe are sesamoid bones. Big toe. Okay? Take a break.